Hey there, thanks for dropping by. So I'm Shaps. I have an 8-year-old son, Anton, who is going to be joining me from time to time on this channel. We really love playing games and we want to make a game. I'm actually a software engineer in my day job, so I have the technical skills to, to do this, but I've never made a game before, and I also don't really know any of the game engines. So I've started learning recently Godot, and so that's what we're going to go with. I also like that it's open source and free. So we're going to jump on that. We're going to be focusing on, he's an autistic child as well, so we're going to focus on some story and development ideas that we think are going to be really powerful there. Hopefully really interesting to you guys. If you're interested in app development, if you're interested in game development specifically, or if you're just a parent or maybe you're neurodivergent yourself, doesn't have to be autism, and you're interested in just being a part of a open and friendly community, that's what we're going to try and build here. So jump in the comments, say hi, like and subscribe, do all those wonderful things that you're supposed to do. And yeah, let's see you in the next video. Thank you.